Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video we will expose bread you eat every day, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So let's begin. Have you ever stopped to think about what's in your bread? Most of us enjoy a slice of bread on a daily basis, but have you ever thought about the ingredients that go into it? At its most basic, bread is made up of flour, water, salt, and yeast. But as we'll see, many commercial breads contain a long list of additives and preservatives. Many breads on store shelves contain additives like high fructose corn syrup, artificial flavors, and preservatives like calcium propionate. These ingredients are added to extend the shelf life of the bread and improve its texture, but they may not be the healthiest choice for our bodies. One way to avoid these additives is to make your own bread at home. It may take a little extra time and effort, but you'll know exactly what's going into your loaf. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste and smell of freshly baked bread. Not only will making your own bread allow you to control the ingredients, it can also save you money in the long run. Store-bought bread can be expensive, especially if you're buying organic or specialty varieties. By making your own, you can save money and have a fresher, healthier option on hand. So the next time you reach for a slice of bread, consider what's in it and consider trying your hand at making your own. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.